Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Now that we have our new screen ready, let's begin the installation process. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could damage your laptop's components. To start, carefully place your Asus VivoBook on a flat, stable surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Typically, there are about 10 screws, depending on your model. Make sure to keep them organized as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. Be cautious and take your time, it's essential to avoid applying too much pressure. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery by gently lifting the connector away from the motherboard. This step is crucial for your safety, preventing any electrical issues during the repair. Next, identify the screws holding the screen assembly in place. Usually, there are 4 screws that secure the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver and keep them safe. If you're unsure about the assembly, refer to your laptop's service manual for guidance. After removing the screws, it's time to detach the screen. Carefully tilt the screen forward and disconnect the video cable attached to the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, ensure you pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging it. Now that the old screen is removed, take the new screen and connect it to the video cable. Make sure it's securely attached. Once connected, align the screen with the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris inside the laptop. This will not only enhance the performance of your device but also prolong its life. After cleaning, reconnect the battery connector and ensure everything is secure. Now, it's time to place the back panel back onto the laptop. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips click into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws to secure the back panel. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, our pickup and delivery service at your home can make this process even smoother. No calls, no travel. It's as simple as that. Once everything is back together, turn on your Asus VivoBook to test the new screen. If it powers up correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. If not, double-check all connections and screws to ensure nothing was missed. And don't forget, before any repair, always request a quote. We ensure transparency and will provide you with a quote before any repair work is carried out. This way, you know exactly what to expect. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.